Hello friends, today I'm going to make donut. First in a bowl, take half cup of milk, 1 tablespoon yeast, mix it well. Then add 2 tablespoon oil, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of sugar, mix it well. Then add 1 cup of flour and sieve it. Whisk the batter very nicely. Then again add 1 cup of flour and sieve it. Add half teaspoon vanilla extract and gently mix with a spatula. Then use your hand to make the dough. Keep the dough in a warm place for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the dough will be blown up. Take out the dough from the bowl and roll it to make a circle. Then roll the round dough with a roller and put some flour if the dough don't stuck with the wood. Roll the dough nicely and make it a circle shape. Cut the donuts with a donut cutter. Then take out the donut shapes in a plate. After cutting the donuts in shape, keep it for 10 minutes. Then when you are just doing the fry, it will be little bit blown. After 10 minutes, fry the donuts in oil in low medium heat. After few minutes, turn the donuts. When it becomes brown color, then take it in a plate. This is the donuts after frying it in oil. It looks very beautiful in brown color after frying it. Donuts with glazes. The donut glaze recipe will be given in the description box. Now one by one garnish all the donut in the glazes and then keep it on a white plate. First we did white one, then we are doing the pink one, and then we are doing the chocolate one and keeping it in the plate. Like this, do all the donuts. After garnishing all the donuts, sprinkle some sprinkles. Sprinkle. After giving sprinkles to all the donuts, serve the donuts. Now it's looking very beautiful and delicious. It is very soft to eat and yummy. Bye friends, if you like our video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the like button, comment, share.